Okay, guys, we're at the Cheesecake Factory. I'll be grabbing some appetizers. Yeah, just dining one. Oh, just dining one.
One.
Yeah.
Can you seat in just a moment, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I've got the hot chocolate. Pretty good. Good chocolate. Yes, this has a rich taste to it. I like how this hot chocolate has the warmth to it. There's a little bit of milk added. Okay, let's try out the dumplings. I like how the dumplings are, chewy. And this is dense. It has this like wonton, skin in there. It has this the sauce on the bottom, the wonton. It's good. Good. There's chicken in here. Eating just like eating curry chicken with egg rolls, wrapped up. Like the outer skin of it has this crispy and hard texture to it. Okay, let's try this with cilantro dipping sauce. The cilantro dipping sauce, the samosa, like a creamy texture to it. The zucchini does have a little bit of a sweet sauce to it. It's crispy texture of the samosa and zucchini sauce, the creamy texture to it. It's good. You guys are gonna have any problems with these? I think both of these items are good and delicious. If I were to give a rating for these, the dumplings would be like a 4 out of 5, and the samosas is probably like a 3 out of 5. Okay guys, I think both of these items are, good. I don't think you guys are gonna have, problems with these, so okay. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. This is Creator's Quest. See ya.